I'll then come to Baba Chino Gurey's second audio. Baba Gurey mu second audio his attack yanga yachinja. Yabva kuZANU PF yakuna Baba Geza. Baba Chino Gurey is accusing Vageza kuti muri kuita zvinhu zvinenge zinyekenyeke machibvisa chinhu kuvanhu makuita chinhu chenyu cheZANU PF and you are going to be easily compromised. And if anything happened, if this revolution flops, we are going to say mapiwa beg. And at the end of the day, nekuti muri maZANU PF and whatever you are going to do, imi Baba Geza, you are going to be, munogona ngochinjwa mufungo wenyu because majairana kuZANU PF ikoko. And then muri kuti futi Vageza vari kudhila nevanhu vashomanana vavari kuudzana navo zvavari kuita, and at the same time vabvisa chinhu kuvanhu. You are very contradictory, Baba Chino Gurey. Why am I saying this? You said kuti imimi maopposition and imimi vanhu vachamisa hamusi kuda a demonstration because of my reasons amuri kufa. You rather endorse 2030 than kuti mufambe nezvinhu zviri pastikeni zvekuti Geza revolution iunze new government. But let me surprise you and tell you that a genuine opposition now wants what is best for Zimbabwe. And let me also surprise you that the other time you said kuti you might think, let me say to you, you might think kuti vanhu ve-Triple C kana kuti vanhu vachamisa, as you had said, Triple C makasiya this and that. I don't know. I don't want to dwell much on that, but let me say, imimi munenge muri kuzviita kunge muri kutaura makamirira chamisa, and muri kutaura muri pamberi pevanhu vachamisa, as you say. Anditika musafunge kuti vanhu chaivo chaivo vakapusa, and vanhu mazuvano vakuona nenyaya yesocial media iyi vanhu vakuita vachivhurika. And the sentiment yenyu iri kuconfirm what I said sometime last week kuti mufunge inini ndinofesa backlash, ndinofesa kutukwa, ndinotukwa nevanhu vachamisa, ndinotukwa nevanhu vemaopposition, ndinotukwa nevanhu veZANU PF. Ndinotukirwei kunzi usavhure vanhu, siya vanhu vakadaro, uri kuvavhurirei? Ndakavaudza ndikati guys kuti nyika ifambeika, ngatimbosiyai zvemapropaganda emabato, ngatimbofambai nekuvaka nyika ishi. Nditi but you find kuti hatina kwatiri kuenda, because we still have vanhu vari kuda kuita capitalize with propagandas. When they see us telling people zviri wrong zvinoitikwa neopposition, vanoti musavaudze, musavavhure, siyai zvakadaro, because they are the ones that makes the castle great. Those propagandas are the reason why people follow opposition. ZANU PF also says those propaganda dzatinopa vanhu dzekuti muopposition atengesa nyika iri kufa nemasanctions, siya akadaro, and vanhu they are okay with that propaganda, and that's the reason why they keep following ZANU PF. And who are you to tell them otherwise? Saka kureva kuti chinhu chatiri kurwa nacho panapa hachina kuchipa sevana veZimbabwe. Tikabuda mukati memapato atiri tikauya takatarisa Zimbabwe, tiri kuwikena political parties which are into existence as in right now. Zviri kureva kuti we are provocating for a new political platforms which is not going down well with the current leadership of any political party that existed before Geza revolution. So Geza revolution is seen as a threat kune vanhu vari kudya nemapropagandas. That you must know, maZimbabweans, kuti yave nguva yekumbopwanya zvese zvaiitika before vaGeza vasati vabuda pachena. and pave way for a new beginning for all Zimbabwe. If it means new political players and new political parties and new political outfits, let it be so. Kana Mwari zviri izvo zvavatendera kuti zviitike munyika yeZimbabwe. Because you get to a time whereby people come first. Pane mabato. Therefore, this is why you would see kuti my political players who feel threatened. One, havasi kuda that which we are offering kuti tiite ma-reforms. They don't want them. And let me surprise you guys and let me tell you as it is, bad as it is, mungarwadziwe nezvazvo, but let me tell you the truth as it is. Havasi kuda all that GNU havasi kuida, all that zvatiri kutaura kuti tiri kuda kuti tiite ma-reforms havasi kuada, because they know they've got nothing to offer. Vano-offer ma-propagandas all the way. Therefore, kana pakaitwa GNU, pakaitwa ma-reforms, they are going to lost dismally to new players. That's the biggest threat to someone who feeds on lies, to someone who feeds on propaganda. Where we are going, propaganda has no space. Propaganda has been leading countries from time immemorial, right from Kunana AD, whatever, even before the World War I started. Nyika dzaingotongwa nema-propagandas, one propaganda after the other. Propaganda is something chinongo-creatwa out of the blues. Chopiwa uremu chodecoratwa so. This is why right now we have a situation yekuti kana munhu akuda kudzingwa anonzi wakaba, ocreaterwa issue, oendeswa kukoti. But now the court of law cannot find substantiative evidence to convict that person. Mona munhu akuitwa kwakirietwa propaganda of catch and release. The opposition now capitalize with that propaganda that ZANU-PF had created. Kuti tiri kuti Ningi abve because Aba. No! Tiri kuda kumubvisa because aita threat ya boss Ningi. It's not clear. And they are not telling you the correct scenario of why so and so is being incarcerated. Azibuda izvo. And understand and understand my points. And Saka, because of that, we've got my scenarios, my propagandas. This is why now you hear those same people who support the road are now running with my issues. Ana Kasukwere, my issues, Ana Jonathan Moyo. Do we have anything on the table? Chekuti Jonathan akaba pakati nepakati, Kasukwere akaba pakati nepakati, kana Kasukwere akauraya, taurai Kasukwere akauraya Peter, and akamuraya in this way. Oh, baba chinoguriye vataura issue poison. Tiudzei poison munyika yakauya naNhingi, izvo zviri kuchengetwa naNhingi. Poison iyi toita sei senyika yeZimbabwe kuti tiibvise muZimbabwe, iyo iri kupa vanhu cancer. We have been mired in propagandas without evidence. The same propaganda yekuti munhu akawina akaruza without a V11 to substantiate the evidence of a win or a lose. That's where the problem is. That the biggest problem that we have in Zimbabwe is tiri kushandiswa nema political parties, political players, political gurus, political influencers. Right now in Zimbabwe, I'm challenging you to understand every person that you follow. Every person that you click a follow. Understand the kind of information that person is feeding your brain with. If you don't, then you are just going to be following Madikoi. Because we had too many. Remember last time you have heard Tungwarara achidaidza vacancies nevanhu vaakuda kupa begi vane political influences. Saka many have been paid to be saying things to you kuti vakuoresei moyo so that the Geza revolution can fail. But the bottom line is it can never fail. As long as it carries the hope of a new Zimbabwe, as long as it carries the truth in it, as long as ichitaura chokwadi chiri kubatika nemazimbabweans, ikakuudzai kuti president ari kurwara, you can substantiate that with all the several videos that you have been circulating in social media that points out exactly to what Comrade Geza has been saying, to what Susan Mutami has been saying in all his 2022 Twitter. Achitaura Mutami kuti vachiri pastage 1 ezvino zvakuenda kustage 2. We don't know kuti vapa stage 4 here kana 5. But the evidence which are circulating in social media points out kuti probably vanenge vatoo kustage 5. Judging from zvaiitika kuvhiki 4 kuswera zuro, it's clear that vatoo mustage 4 or 5. Because ukaona president achijamba pastage achiita matakana navaita vaya, hakuna president anoita kunge vharazipi. Hakuna zvakadaro. It has never happened in the land. It has never happened in the history of all Zimbabweans. Because, yes, everything is very clear. But tirikuti susu, right now, patave, ndepekuti, ngatitaure zvinhu zvinovaka nyika. Baba Chinogurei, my advice to you, as I don't know, baba kana turi chi, but let's speak what can take this country to the next level. When you speak ukavhura muromo wako, taura zvinhu zvaune evidence nazvo, and taura zvinhu zvinovaka vana veZimbabwe. The Metia document is there. It's there, and it's something that you can actually prove, and it's something that we are all seeing. And it, all those issues aitaurwa navageza kuti Chagwire ane kambani ipi, ane Zenga, ane Sibze, go and verify zvese. Go back to the first video of vageza and verify zvese zvavaitaura kuti pane here chakapotsana navageza, pane here chavasina kutaura. Hezvo kuti maovheti kuzoti ana Tungwarara vatenderere inga vakakonfirm wandi kuti vageza mapoinda malupos edu we are correcting. Andimukuzvona. But though they think they are correcting, but they are bribing people, not correcting per se. So that's the biggest error that we have in the government of the day. They are not correcting errors. They are not, they are not ready to amend their flaws. They are not even ready to accept reality. Kuti instead vari kusunga vanhu vari kuda kuexpressa. As long as vachiri kusunga vanhu vachida kuchikidzira vanhu vachida kudii, they are not ready to accept reality of things that are happening on the ground. The reality that vanhu havachada. That's the reality. People no longer want this rubbish. They are tired. They want a better nation. They want a better Zimbabwe. They want a better country. They want a better economy for all. They want the government of the day to utilize their resources accordingly, to utilize them so that they can benefit the populace, not certain individuals. Isn't it louder enough for the government to act? Isn't it louder enough that they accept what is there so that we move this country forward? Hapana ari kurwisa munhu. And vageza vamuri kutaura Baba Chinogurei did nothing wrong. There's no way Baba Geza could be dealing all this alone. Obviously, there's a team behind him that he strategizes with. And if you are not part of the team, don't try to confuse vanhu. And the very thing that you mentioned is wati wewe ungavadzosere chinhu kuvanhu, but at the same time watima hamusi kuda. Saka what are you saying? What are you saying? Because on God, on understanding what transpired on Harare CBD, it is clear that it is ZANU-PF supporters who were amongst all those few thousands that were demonstrating. And at the same time, the complete Harare CBD corporate world endorsed Geza revolution. Save for imi vashandi kureva kuti muri kupiwa mari here iri kunakidza kana kuti masalaries enyu are okay, your lives are okay, and ivo vacho vari kuginya mavendors makaratidza you endorsed, the vendors endorsed Geza revolution. They were never in the street, there were no vendors, the shop owners closed their shops, they endorsed Geza revolution. Saka chasara vanhu venyu baba gurei vamuri kuzviti vetriple C vanolidwa nana Mafume vakaunganidza vanhu vakati musaende, vachizama kuda kuti mavendors aende kunotengesa as business was usual, but the vendors refused. And saka my biggest question is, judging from what transpired in Harare, would you blame Comrade Geza if they come up with another strategy that does not include kuenda kwavanhu mastreets? Makati munotya kupfurwa, mukati muri kuda masoja kuti atanga abuda ataura, mukati you are not guaranteed your safety, because hamusati ready to liberate this country at any cost. You want to liberate it at the cost of your political parties. Therefore, will you now blame this strategy that is on our table? Do you have another solution? Can we now come back and say we are now activating another demo? Are you going to be part of the demo that is going to be put across on the table? What is it that you want, Baba Chinugurei? Can you elaborate your points and go straight to the point as to what is it that you want Baba Geza to do? Because as it is, he listens to everybody, because chinunde chevanu. So I would more happier if you come up with a solution. Tobva tatenderedza solution toisvitsa kwerifana kusvika, but ukatanga kuisa maaudio ekungotuka, ekupwanyana, ekuzodzana madhaka, munhu asvibiswe anosviba ega nemabasa ake. Hakuna munhu anoti ndiri kuita chinhu cheZANU-PF when ZANU-PF in a clear blueprint. The reason why right now ZANU-PF iri kusemesa kuvanhu is because of certain individuals who are greedy, certain individuals who are evil, certain individuals who are murderers, certain individuals who have done a lot of misdemeanors, a lot of too many bad things. The same happens to opposition. We've got too many people who are in opposition, just there to use propaganda, just there not for people to get a better nation, not for people to get better lives, but not for anyone to benefit, but for themselves to keep being in council offices, being chairperson of certain councils, and, keep stealing from the people, selling stands corruptly, and not availing any stand to the people to get from the front door. That's when we start to say we are serving the people. And that's when we can now start to say we are serving the people. But as long as we still have zvichiwanikwa ku-opposition, zvichiwanikwa ku-ZANU-PF, zvichiwanikwa all over, and at the end of the day, we are being run with a government mound and full with characters who are greedy, who are never for the people. because council inotorana yega independently. The minister only oversees. Asati tamboona chakaitwa necouncil chiri people driven chikaitwa turned down with the government for the councils to blame the government. It has never happened. Asati tamboona vachita come up with vachimboti vedu vekuparliament toda kuti mutigadzirire mutemo wakati uri people driven. Tikuda kuti vanhu vaone mastands. Tikuda kuti mastands asatengeserwe kuma-developers, asatengeserwe kumuna. Hatisati tambozviona izvozvo. Tinongonzwa makuda kudzingana chikonzero pamwe munenge maona kuti uyu haasi kuita zvamuri kuda. But all of you are corrupt in every nature. In everything you are doing, you are also as corrupt as the government of the day. So who then is perfect? No one is perfect under the sun. The best way is to live all these my problems atinawo kuma-parties to focus on one Zimbabwe. We then focus on a one Zimbabwe for all. I think that's the best way kuti titore nyika inui. And that's the best way kuti tiende ku next level. Saka those who thinks kuti they don't have a solution, shut up and don't disturb the train. Those who thinks they have solutions, let's hear them. Because nyika ndeyevanhu ndeyedu tese. It doesn't belong to any political party whatsoever. No one is more Zimbabwean than the other. All political parties are equal, 100% equal. Hakuna iri more superior than the other. So that's why today we are fronting a Zimbabwe cause, a Zimbabwe revolution, a Geza revolution, standing up for the people of Zimbabwe, regardless of their political affiliations. Saka, it's either you are for Geza revolution or you are against it. Usaita ungarwa hivi. Yokuti unoda kuti vanhu vakufollowe vachifunga kuti uri weGeza revolution. A lot of people have amongst a lot of followers by just preaching the Geza revolution. But now vanhu vavafollowa channel kati kurewo kaakuma 2000 followers kana kuma 1000 followers wakutanga kuchinja toni yako yakutotanga kutoshandisa that channel to oppose the Geza revolution. Uchidecorate your excuses. We don't want such chameleons. We don't want such chameleons. It's either you are for the Geza revolution or you are against it. Simple as that.